Hello and welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, we are Jenny and Adam, and with our trusted tuk-tuk Raja, we have covered 6,735 kilometers from Tamil Nadu down to Kanyakumari, then up through Kerala, Karnataka, Goa, Gujarat and now Rajasthan. This episode takes us to Bundi, a town of countless stepwells and a palace that feels frozen in time. But the real surprise, we met a local goldsmith known to everyone as Mango Man. We'll join his workshop and make a charm from scratch.
Wow.
From raw metal to the finished piece, step by step. Why is he called Mango Man? We'll find out during the episode. So if you are into adventure, the real India and immersive cultural experiences and want to discover the country in the most local way possible,
Let's go.
stick with us. Get comfy, chai in hand, and let's fire up the engine.
Today we're gonna dive into silver handicraft and we're gonna do it with Mango Man. But who is Mango Man? Let's find out.
Namaskar.
Namaste. Namaste.
How are you today?
Good, very good.
Namaskar.
I'm working with the silver things here.
Oh wow.
I'm working with silver.
Can I have a look, a closer look, please?
Yes, please. It's my work, so I can show you how it works.
Meet Geet, or as everyone here calls him, the Silver Mango Man. Why Mango Man? Well, that's a story we'll discover soon enough. But Geet isn't just a silver jewelry artisan, he's also a teacher. Visitors can join his workshop, roll up their sleeves and learn how to create a piece of jewelry from scratch. And that's exactly what we are gonna do today, from raw silver to a finished charm, step by step.
So we are here today with Mr. Mango Man, but actually what's your real name?
My name is Geet, and I'm knowing as a name of Mango Man because of my special mango-shaped necklaces. Yes, this is like this, which is you can open twice and you can keep inside cotton and perfume in it. So you can always smell like a rose or jasmine or maybe something.
Fantastic.
That's my special thing.
So this is the most sell
Things,
products?
yes.
Yeah.
From me, from us.
What do you do in your shop?
My hobby is to collecting the antiques also, buying old jewelry, selling those things and making jewelries. Because from the past, we are silversmith or goldsmith. So we are working from the traditions, like my grandfather and before. The families, they work from many years for the same jewelry making things and all. But my father and me loves to collect the antiques, so that's why we start this new shop. And then now after, people wants to learn the old techniques, which I still using, like the molds from my grandfather, the tools from my older family ones. So I'm still using those things and using those techniques for doing the same jewelry, which are unique.
Fantastic.
I'm not using any kind of machine or no machine here, just the handmade only.
Fantastic.
Yes.
How did you learn?
I just learned from my father. Like my father learned from my grandfather. It's like family things there.
Yeah.
So we are going as a tradition now.
At what age did you start coming to the shop?
Start this shop in 2017. I start working here with my father. So then after I do the jewelry making things, selling things, these are from 2017.
Wow. And what's your favorite piece to create?
The old things for me, because I'm a silversmith or goldsmith, so whatever I make is a favorite for me. But mostly the thing I like is the mango, which is my specialty.
Yes.
You can see those the box.
Can I
Yes,
take the
please.
box?
Yes, you can
So
open.
guys, you are gonna see something special.
So these are in the shape of mango. So like this one we can take. So that's a box in shape of mango, which is open. Another open. This is how to keep cotton in it, and it has a perfume in it, which is like any perfume like jasmine, sandalwood, any oil perfume, one drop in it, and then you can keep inside these, then these, and then these. And when you using as a necklace, it smells all the day.
And
That's our special thing.
and I can tell you that you can actually feel a very nice smell coming from the mango. What are we doing today?
We're gonna make a small necklace. This is silver, it's pure 100% silver. So according to the mold, we can cut it like in the smaller size. So initially we are giving it fire, like giving it heat, so it making softer. So slightly it changes the color. Then after, we're taking it and making it cool. So now we have the molds here. Then after we put the silver into it. Then we took a small part of lead. It's very soft. That's why it can be cut like this.
Yeah.
Then after we putting it on this here. This is any material you can use like this. This is my hammer, and then after pressing it. So now you see the lead presses silver into the mold and the design getting reprinted.
Wow.
Like this. This is coming from this to here.
What's next?
So next part is to cutting the outside area which we don't need. So now the parts in the middle there, we try to remove those ones by using these kind of the files there to make it perfect design shape. So now this is ready like this. So now we take another piece of silver of this to soldering on a back side, so it is getting more stronger one. We are making this sheet like smooth. Took this, then after we take this one. So now we try to soldering these two parts together. Now the same thing we do, cut it again. Again the same thing, we are using the filing again.
I'm gonna take the stage, guys.
Yes.
Let's see if I can do it.
This is the part we need, so just the corner of the file is go in this, yes.
Yeah, like this?
Yes, yes.
After a quick crash course from Geet, I grabbed the file and got to work. But there is one little thing I'd forgotten, opening the pressure drawer. Because here nothing is wasted, every silver shaving is saved, melted down and given a second life.
Yes.
Also the smaller things, like this one, we go like this. So it's collecting and we remelt it again.
I go slowly, just in case we don't want to file too much silver out of it.
And for the final flourish, well, that had to go back to Geet for the master seal of approval and a touch of his magic.
So I've done pretty much most of it. Not sure I did a good job, but I think that Rita has to finish it.
Yes.
He is the expert.
I will do that. Yes.
So actually the master took the place and look how fast he is. So yeah, I try to do my best, but obviously you can tell who is the master.
She doing good. She doing good job. It's just a beginning, so she's very good with that.
He's just trying to be nice.
Now
So-
the filing is done, so it's almost like very good piece like this now. You can see from the front, and we soldering something on a back to make it stronger. Now it's almost perfect. Now we need some things, just like a hanger to wear it as a necklace or wearing as a charm here. That's what we are doing. So we have this silver wire over here. So we just need a smaller part of it. Like we take this one, okay? And we are giving it like a round shape, so it's softer now, so it's easy to do like
Wow.
this. And with the plier, so it's perfectly round now. Just fixing it somewhere.
Right. You have already prepared the shape.
Yes.
Oh, wow.
It's done almost now. We are waiting just to make it little cool. Then after, in this bowl, we put sulfuric acid.
Sulfuric acid.
Acid. So we just put it like this.
Wow.
So it removes the dirt, any smaller particles, and then we do it like brush like this. It make it more shiny, and that is getting slowly shinier. And as I told you, I never use any machine, so this is like my machine for polishing it. So I'm just using it like this. So the you can feel it here. It's getting like little rough. Like this.
Yes, because of the filing that we did before.
So then why I'm using this one like this at the edges. You can feel it now. It's getting smoother.
Oh, yes,
than before.
that's beautiful.
Now it's ready.
This is actually a unique piece that will give you a nice present from Bundi. This is your perfect gift from Bundi. So this is fantastic.
So you may use it either a silver chain, or instead of a silver chain you may wearing by using these kind of the threads they are. So with these black threads it looks so amazing. It's going like this.
While Geet worked on the final steps, crafting the hanger and the necklace, he told me he had a special request for us.
Make it shorter from the back if you want, the length.
Wow, guys, what do you think? Oh, that's so cute!
And that's for you.
Thank you, Geet. Thank you so much. Thank you. Geet had a request.
Yes.
He wants to have a ride with Raja. So let's go and collect Raja.
So yeah, let's get to our hotel and just get Raja and give this beautiful special guest and the beautiful artist a lift.
Raja.
So we're very blessed to have Geet with us today.
Yeah, thank you so much. It's so good. Raja, it's fantastic.
Geet's smile said it all. He was over the moon to ride with Raja, and we couldn't have been happier to share the moment with him. We cruised through Bundi's winding alleys.
So, Geet,
Yes?
I have one final question for you.
Yes, for sure.
What do you think about us traveling across India with Raja?
So the thing is, this is the most beautiful thing you have, knowing as Raja. So if you travel with that, it will be the best thing, best part of your traveling. And you have everything here, and you decor it yourself. Everything very nice. And I like the ride with you.
Thank you so
My
much.
pleasure.
Thank you.
Pleasure.
It's been a pleasure to having you
Thank you so much.
on Raja with us.
Yeah, it's my pleasure. Thank you.
Thank you.
Until we pulled up at his friend's cozy cafe and restaurant.
And we are gonna have a chai at Geet's
Oh,
friend's
wow.
place. Wow, guys.
4 ton plate.
What an incredible time we have had here in Bundi. Such a warm and welcoming place. If you're visiting Rajasthan, don't miss this hidden gem that so few travelers know about. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like, and if you've made it this far, drop a comment saying Mango Man. And don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss our next adventures. See you in the next episode!
Guys, if you think we reached the South Pole, you're actually wrong. We're still in Rajasthan, and look at this, all snowy.
It has been snowing in Rajasthan.
Pa 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 ma pa 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 ma pa da ni da pa ma ga re ga sa re ma pa